How to fix YouTube app not working. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix YouTube app not working. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure to update the YouTube app to the latest version. Open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Tap search icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select search bar at top of the screen. Type in YouTube. Once you see or open the YouTube app, if there is any update button next to the uninstall button, you have to tap update and update it to the latest version. It may take some time, you have to wait patiently. Once you do that, you have to clear the cache of YouTube app. For that, tap and hold the app and then I button. Now select the storage uses. Tap clear cache. And then once you have cleared the cache, restart your device. For that, hold the power button on your device. After that, you have to select restart and your issue will be completely fixed. Now you can easily enjoy watching the videos on YouTube. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.